We're a component metal provider to a variety of OEMs. A lot of our products end up in construction, agriculture, defense, aerospace, medical type equipment. It's fascinating to understand where a component part like ours ends up in the vehicles and airlines and buses and transportations. The biggest challenges we face is global competition. So we're challenged every day to execute at a global pace to be competitive both on price and lead time.
I've been at Norlen for 8 years. I do a wide array of things here at Norlen. Starting with my main purpose here is robotics. I deal with programming robotics. I implement new equipment with robotics, and I also put in new fixturing with robotics. We have a welding robot here where we'll have a fixture that holds a part in place when the robot comes down to weld a certain area. There's also fixtures used on the robot arm itself where the robot will use that to pick up a part. For instance, the robot's coming down like this. You might have suction cups on the robot, grippers, something of that nature to hold the part in place.
I work in quality control right now, and basically my job here at Norlen is I check parts. I run what's called a roamer arm, which is a high precision, high dollar machine that checks angles and a bunch of geometric tolerancing parts that you can't check on normal machines like a height gauge or with a caliper or micrometer. If I were a kid, I would probably sit down with a counselor and find out what jobs are available for the skills that I have and what I like to do. I think it's important for someone to go to school for something that they really enjoy to do and that they would really enjoy to do for the rest of their lives.
The industry is always changing, and having something new to do every day keeps your mind fresh. If you're doing the same thing over and over and over again, you get real bored real fast, and it's not fun to come to work. So with a changing environment, coming to work is a joy.
You know what I like about my job most is seeing my employees be rewarded professionally.
What I like about the industry is it's the wide variety of parts that you get to make. I mean, you make parts from agricultural, you get to make parts for construction, you get to make parts for motor vehicles and motorcycles, like we make a windshield bracket for motorcycles. The big picture in manufacturing I think looks really good. The machines and the devices we use are so much more advanced than when I started doing this 15 years ago. It's amazing just from year to year what's becoming available to us to use. It's pretty cool.
Well, it's not a blacksmith industry anymore. These are highly skilled, highly trained employees that run multi-million-dollar systems to create components worldwide.
With my career, I have the flexibility to do different things every day, which is awesome.